Hey, this is Tim with a quick tip. 04 Honda Accord, no AC complaint. Pretty simple on this one. I just undid the power to the compressor. I just undid the power to the compressor right here like that, and got 14 volts going to it, and I even power probed it, the compressor, to give it power direct. Nothing. That's how we know it's a compressor. So let's see what the customer wants to do. Alright, we're going to do the new compressor. What we're going to do is we're going to take this belt off first, right there on the tensioner. Then we'll pull this alternator off and get it out of the way, and take both lines off, which are 10 millimeters. But I'll show you all that here in just a second. First thing you do always, take your battery, take your cable off, and we'll start taking everything off here in just 1 second. Alright, this is a 15 millimeter. You're going to, of course, go clockwise, spin it laying out like that, take your belt off, and then we're going to start taking this. We're going to take the lines off first. I've already evacuated everything. There are two 10 millimeters right there. We'll take those off first. And after we get the belt off, and then we're going to take this alternator off. I'll show you that. Alright, you're going to take the two 10 millimeters off, put it down here. Get you like a swivel, a 10 millimeter. Just undo these. You got two of them, one right there, one right there. Just undo them lines right there. Just undo your lines. There, and then you got your bottom line right there. You're gonna undo it. Then we're gonna take this alternator off. All right, we got both lines. Just kind of move this line up here, kind of out of your way. And you got 3 bolts on your alternator right here. And of course, take the back off here. You're gonna undo it. I'll show you that here in 1 second. Okay, next you're gonna want to go over your body trim tool, kind of just pop that out right there, pull that at the side. Then you're going to want to undo this boot, or you can wait till you pull it out. That's up to you. I might just wait till I pull it out, because once I have it out, I'm going to hang it right there. But these are 12 millimeter. We're going to pull those off just like this. I'm going to leave this one on just a little bit. I'll take the 2 on the bottom off. Let's see. All right, we'll pull both those off. right there. Pull it out. Those off. Now we'll pull the top one slowly. Then I'll show you on the top nut there. All right, on the back, it'll be a 10mm nut. You're just gonna want to kind of ease that off there. Don't want to lose the nut. And of course, you just pull that off. And then just pull the off layer up here. Set it to the side here. And now you got all the room in the world for the compressor. You will have to get the other two bolts from underneath, but you'll pull it out from right here. All right, you're gonna take the trim off the bottom, which is just a couple body clips right here, and you'll have one up there top. Take those off, and you got 2 17s, one there and one there. You just loosen this one, and then take this one all the way out, and just slide this over like that. Get that out of your way. That way you can get, there's two 12mm on the bottom here, and you can go through here or go through there. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do yet, but that way you got access to coming through up here to get to them right there. All right, let's go ahead and get those out. I ended up getting both of them underneath with just a ratchet wrench. Just go right up here like this, and both of them. So I got them both out. You're gonna have to put them both in whenever you put the new one in, because you're not gonna be able to take them all the way out. So put them both back in when you put the new one in. I'll show you. Okay, once you get the top, leave the top in till you get the bottom done. Makes it a lot easier, and then just pull it out here from the front. It's gonna take 2 hands, but anyway, you get the gist of it. Pull that out, and then we'll look at the new one. Okay, make sure you match it with the old one. I always leave these black plugs in here because the ones I buy come pre-oiled, and I don't want the oil coming out. So make sure your line's right, make sure everything matches up. Remember, these 2 bolts that come off of it, you're gonna have to put them back in here when you put it in, because you won't be able to put them in once you got it in. Also, you got the stud right here that the line sits on, so just course transfer it over to your new one. You don't have to really tighten it up. It'll tighten up when the nut gets on it. Tighten it by hand. If you want to turn it a couple times with vice grips or something, that's fine, but it'll tighten up once the nut's on it. But anyway, we're going to set this in, but like I said, flip this like this, or this one like that, put your bolts in. I'm going to clean these up, and then I'll put them in, but make sure you put them in. When you put it in, you'll have like 2 lips on the top, so just line up them 2 lips like that, and it'll kind of hold your compressor in, and it'll start your 2 top bolts, and then work your way and go to the bottom. Make sure you run a vacuum on it. We'll vacuum this one down to about 20, maybe 25, and then shut her off and wait about 10 minutes. So if this don't move, well, then you have no leaks. If this moves, then you do. Now we're done at Tim's Auto. Thanks for watching.